Alpha, where's the update?
Guy, just chill, man, chill.
Tell me what I'm thinking. Tell me what I'm thinking, bro.
Guy, my phone just beeped now, guy. Boy! 100K, man!
That's what I'm talking about.
Guy, 100K, just like that. Bro, this guy is ready to do anything I tell him to do. As long as he gets to see the girl in my profile picture, man.
God, we've made money to the end of the semester, guy.
Kind of what you're talking about the semester. With this girl on my profile picture, I'm sure I'm going to get more clients, man. More money, bro. Guy, another DM.
See good.
Another DM, bro. Bro, this girl's picture is hot. But let me see if this guy has money. Oh, boy! Guy! She said account details. Guy, call me Pablo, man. Call me Pablo, bro.
Don't play.
Guy, call me
Don't play.
Hey. Guy. Fix on me, man. Let's go drink. Let's go drink, bro. Who say money no sweet oh? Hey, who say money no sweet oh? Who say money no sweet oh? I say who say? So guy, whoever said money is not sweet is stupid, and that person has cool mental.
Kind of foolish at the same time, bro.
I know, right, man. More like it.
Cool, bro. I seen this shit, bro. She's fire, bro.
Guy, like we're the biggest boys on campus now, man. Latest TV owners, you know what I'm saying?
God, it's only your phone number, bro.
More to buy, man. More to come.
Sure. That TV is tight.
Guy, who say money no sweet oh?
Sharp.
Who say money no sweet oh? Who say even for who say?
Okay, is everything alright?
Bro, that profile picture that I was using for my page, the real owner put up a strong disclaimer and reported my page. As I'm talking to you now, my page is down.
Calm down now, guy. You've made enough money from this thing now. See the profile I'm using. Am I fetching anything? Look at the last guy asking for a plane ticket. What did he send? Boss fare.
But guy, I've told you, man, if you want to do this thing and do it well, guy, you have to look for very pretty girls. Look for a very pretty girl with fine face, nice curves. Like right now, I want to even... Let me see if I can get another person because, guy, if you snooze, you lose, bro. If you snooze, you lose, honestly.
Nah, I did your back and you come.
Till they do this laptop. Yo, my man.
Hey, my girl, what's good now?
I'm good, bro. I hear you did it, chill.
What can I do now? Where did you come from like this?
I'm not all these useless interviews, bro. Guy, I've been on this thing for months now. Finally, I got one, and guess how much they're offering me?
50?
70K. Guy, what am I supposed to do with 70,000 naira? I can't even pay my rent or fuel my car. Or take care of my family or my girlfriends. Bro, it's actually a woman that should be getting that kind of pay. Because at the end of the day, they may not even have to depend on their salaries.
Bro, it's crazy, I swear. I receive 135k every month. And each month, I see myself paying astounding bills and debts. Police employers need to do better if you ask me. And if you complain, they'll tell you there are a lot of unemployed people on the streets that should be grateful to have a job. Can you imagine?
Guy, 70k. Guy, imagine me, exo. Guy, you know I was making way more than 70k monthly in school now as a student by just posting cute pictures on dating platforms.
Just calm down. Let me get you something to drink. Barman, sure. Get me one glass cup, See, my boss is waiting for me. Quick. So, how's everything generally? How's Amanda?
Oh, I just did, waiting for who's going to propose to her and marry her. Guy, I don't know how she keeps forgetting that I don't have a job.
Bro, you can't blame her now. I mean, you have a nice accommodation, a decent ride. And she has a good job, bro. I mean, she might be willing to be footing the bill to, you get a good job.
Oh, that's exactly what she said.
Can't she help you get a job in that paramilitary where she works?
Bro, thanks, Jerry. I asked this girl, she said her husband and wives are not allowed to work there. I don't know who told her I'm planning to marry her, man.
Babes, kai! Once you start sleeping with them, they believe you want to marry them.
Bro, she's not really my type, I won't lie. I'm just managing her because of the cheese that I'm getting from her. I mean, who doesn't like a free thing?
Even federal government does.
Federal government does, man. It's crazy. Which match be this?
I'm already blessing. I want French league, bro. We do support all these kind of things, sir.
Not life.
Hey, not life, now. You know this thing, not life, now.
Baby, you're so good. Too sweet, baby.
I know, babe. I'm very sweet.
But I'm sweeter than you, Shane.
No, honey, I'm sweeter. I'm creamier.
Yeah,
I draw.
Oh, Mado. Me, I'm vanilla, baby.
No, yeah, vodka. And then I'm caramel milkshake mixed with strawberry toppings.
Only you, all of this, yeah?
Yes.
And more, baby.
You've tasted me now. So
I know, baby.
You know.
My love. I wanted to tell you something, but please, promise me it's not going to change the mood.
No, it's not. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready.
I know, calm down, baby. My love, I need 500,000 naira to complete my rent. My rent is due and...
Babe, I gave you 400k last month, babe.
Babe, I did not say that my rent is 500k. I said I want to top it up. My rent is 1.6 million.
I know. I paid for this rent last year. I'm the one that got this house for you. I paid all the lawyer, agents, all the fee. I'm the one that did everything. I cater for you. I'm literally the breadwinner of this house.
Look, you don't need to remind me.
I don't have that kind of money in my account. I don't.
Come on, babe. You earn about 500,000 naira monthly, including the allowances you're entitled to. All I'm asking for is 500,000 naira for a whole year's rent, and you earn that every month. Come on.
Babe, not right now. Babe, stop now. It's not like I'm your wife or, you're like a child that I birthed and the love is unconditional love. Like, I don't even know what we are. We are just there. Like, I take care of you. I provide for you. I pay your rent. I service you. I fuel you. I cook for you. I do your laundry. I everything, nakis everywhere. What do you want that I don't do for you?
You don't need to remind me.
I'm not reminding you. I'm just telling you.
You've been great and I appreciate you. All I'm saying is just, fine. Thank you. I'll sort myself out. But if you hear that I'm cheating on you, better don't come crying and screaming.
Honey, you want to cheat? Honey, don't cheat on me. Will you cheat on me?
Well, it depends.
Honey, will you be faithful to me?
I don't think so.
Okay, I can't know. I'll look for 350K and then give to you.
You do that?
Yes.
Thank you, baby.
Will you still cheat on me?
No, I don't. No, I don't think so. The Queen.
Hello. Sugar, how are you?
I'm good, but I
But what? How much do you need? I'm busy.
my rent. It's due.
So how much is it?
2 million.
2 million. Okay. I'll send you 4 million. For 2 years, so you don't bother me for the next 2 years. Is that okay?
Yes, awesome. Thank you very much, ma'am. When can I see you?
I'll call you. Okay? All right then. All right, bye.
God, stress-free relationship. This is good. I'm sure the girls can be like this.
Alexei, you can be very demanding. And you know that you don't have a job. Like, sorry, you don't have any sort of income. I'm just saying, I need you to cut down your cost of living, your cost of spending.
No, go ahead. No, go ahead and insult me. Because I asked you for assistance. Insult me. I know you have a good job, so insult me because I don't have a job.
Alex, you don't turn it into a fight.
It doesn't have to be a fight.
Yes.
But you're looking me in the eye and telling me, this is what I don't understand about you girls. No. If it was the other way round, it's going to be a situation of I am not doing what I'm meant to do just because I need your assistance in this case.
Alex, I love you. I love you with all my heart. I will do anything for you. But I have a family. My parents are older. My siblings are younger. Like, and they depend on me as well. I cannot be taking care of them and be taking care of you.
Would you stop this nonsense? If you don't want to help me, it's fine.
Yeah, pick your call now. You the dodge, babe.
Guy, don't be this Amanda Dreamer girl. She's just disturbing my life, man. Calling me every time. She doesn't know how to do nothing. Bed, she no sabi. Money, she no fit bring. Just disturbing my life. Guy, make she just rest, I beg.
Yeah, you about supposed don't sabi this thing now. Babes, this thing, G.
I'm on a sugar mommy sure pass, so. Sugars are the best. I see the hot, I swear.
I did tell you, bro. I did tell you.
Hello, the Queen.
Hey, sugar. So I just sent you money to pay for 2 nights at our usual place, so you can take good care of me. Is that okay?
Absolutely. You know, I'm always at your service, ma'am. So I'll see you soon, my lady.
Yeah, see you soon. 7 p.m.
Ooh. 7 p.m. Babe, you are the most boring person on planet Earth. Is this what you're going to be doing in marriage? Do you even understand what it means to spice up a relationship? Spice up relationship. I'm trying to teach you, but you don't want to learn. You keep doing the same thing over and over again.
Alex, please can you stop? Please. Please. Just stop.
Babe, this is me being very honest. You know I love you. I'm trying to be very, very blunt here. If your boyfriend for any reason leaves you, just don't be angry. Because all you do is just lie on your back and do nothing. Steve, no, you don't even... what's up?
Alex, like, what you have been asking of me, it's difficult for me. Like, I have never...
This is exactly what I'm saying. Exactly what I'm saying. You have never done what? If you have not done something before, is there a law that says you cannot try? Eh? I'm trying to teach you, but you don't want to learn. Listen, babe, couples do these things, especially when they're far away from each other. They do these things normally. In fact, I'm not interested again. Just bye, I beg.
Alex, wait.
Look, are you going to do this or not? I'm tired of going back and forth. Baby girl, are you doing it or not? That's more like you, baby. Yes, baby. That's exactly what I'm talking about. I love you, baby. Yes, just spice the relationship up. Homeboy.
My brother, who's good now?
Gucci fam. What's up? Are you alright?
I'm sick and tired of that job. I mean, I resume by 7 a.m. and I leave by 8 p.m. That doesn't mean I leave on time. Yet, my salary has been the same for the last 3 years. And like, there's no hope. Like, no hope for promotion.
Wow.
I mean, how am I meant to grow? How am I meant to get married and raise my kids with that stipend?
But bro, have you not talked about contract review with these guys? You should talk to these guys now.
It's rich people. Don't you know capitalists? The contract stated we are not professional staff, but contract staff. And we signed to it and agreed. Of course, we were expecting to get in there first, hoping that one day it was going to change. I should have known better. It's not changing, bro.
I mean, this is the reason why someone like me, I can never opt for a 9 to 5.
My dear, I don't have your looks, bro. I wish I did, but I don't have your looks. I mean, have you seen your house? Nobody's going to believe you've not worked a day in your life.
Guy, who told you don't have the looks?
Bro, don't mind me, bro. Maybe today, don't mind me. I beg.
Hey, you para, calm down.
Don't mind me, Jerry.
Is this your para with deal, but you wrong 1 or 2 now? This guy.
You're right.
Abi, don't worry now. You're gonna learn. You're gonna learn the hard way. You're gonna learn. Babe, man, this training is taking too long, go. I didn't know I was gonna miss you like this.
Honey, I'll see you soon. Just 1 more week, okay? 1 more week.
1 more week. That's 7 whole days, baby. That's foul. Well, thank God for technology. At least I get to see your face and then other things. You know what I'm saying?
I know. Honey, seriously, they've given us an assignment. I have to go and do it now. I have to go now, okay? Can I talk to you later?
Babe, hold up, chill. Just please send me a picture. Just one picture without you wearing clothes.
Nudes? No. No.
Come on, babe, you've started again. You're acting like I cannot draw it with my eyes closed. I mean, I've seen it 1,000 times, so what's the big deal? Help it bro out now.
Honey, I stripped for you the last time we had this video call. You don't have to be saying this now. You always do one thing, help your guy out, help your guy out. And I'm doing all these things because of, because of you. Why are you now saying I should send you my nudes? Why?
Gosh. Look, this is not meant to be a big deal, Shay. I mean, guys meet girls on a regular, and the very first day the girl is sending news, even without the guy asking. Come on, why are you behaving like an old maid?
Honey, our relationship should not be based on such things. We are matured. We are not kids anymore. I have to go now, okay?
Amanda, hold up.
I have to go. I'll talk to you later. Okay, love you, honey.
Don't even understand. You cannot act sweet. Hello, beautiful.
Hey, stranger. How are you?
It's good.
You look good.
Thank you. You look dazzling too. It's good.
Good to see you.
Thank you for the money the last time. I mean, it really came in handy. I appreciate it deeply.
No problem. I'm glad I could help.
So I was going to ask you, are you contesting for any political position? Like, I think House of Representative. I saw a picture that looked like yours, and the name was kind of similar too. Huh?
Well, I just say that you're having a conversation with a soon-to-be honorable House of Rep member.
Mado.
Deal's been sealed now.
Mado! I knew it.
I've made a lot of money in Lagos. All I want right now is just power and a little fame, So yeah, that's it.
I mean, I consider it quite a privilege to, be having a one-on-one with the high and mighties. I mean, the cream de la creams.
That sounds good. Come on, hop in. Come take me out.
Am I worthy?
Yes.
Glory
you
to
are.
God. Yo. Oh, what a hooah. More like it, Amanda. More like it. Let me call her. Amanda. Amanda, my baby. Pick up, baby.
So did you like my pictures?
Yay. I wouldn't love the pictures. They were amazing. Baby, you have a perfect body. Look, you just need to learn how to use your body to make your baby happy. Look at me now, I'm super happy. If I feel in any kind of way now, I'll just use that beautiful piece of art and help myself out.
You are so dirty. So dirty.
Well, it depends. Look, I can be anything with you. And that's because I am comfortable with you. That's the same thing that I expect from you, honestly.
All right, I'm learning. Master, teach me.
My first learner. Thank you. All right?
Hello? Yeah, baby brother. I know you don't like it when Okay, slow down, slow down. Mommy what? Mommy what? What happened to mommy? What are they saying? How much? Okay. Let them take her inside the hospital. Let them take her inside. Yes. I'll be with you. Okay. Let me just. Yes. What is it? What? What? Pick up. Alex. What is happening? What is happening? Alex. No, Alex. Let's go. Okay, right now. Oh my goodness. Alex, please can you hear me? Alex, please, are you home? Alex, please. Alex, please open up. It's Amanda. Alex, please, are you home? Oh my goodness, Alex, please.
What are you doing here?
Alex, please, you can't. Alex, please.
What are you doing here?
Alex, please, I'm begging you, you can't do it. Whoever influenced you, the person is evil, the person is a devil. Alex, I know who you are. I know you.
Listen to me. You have no idea what I'm capable of. Now listen to me. Make that payment, otherwise you're going to lose everything you've ever worked for.
Alex, please, my mother is in the hospital. She's very sick. I need 1 million naira for her treatment. I don't even have that kind of money in my account. I don't know where to go.
It's not my business. Read my lips. I said it's not my business.
This is not a business.
The only business I have with you is payments.
Alex,
do you understand?
Alex, please, this is not a business. Have I not been good to you? Have I not been kind to you?
Do you want me to increase that, babe? That's what you want. Try me.
Alex, please.
Bola.
Alex, my guy.
Guy, you want me, I swear.
I beg. Hey, not true. If I forget, there's this customer of the bank that is selling like a plot of land at Beggar. You know Beggar now?
Yeah.
Yeah, for like 3 million naira.
3 million?
It's something I would have loved to invest in, but where's the money? This company has fucked me up, bro. I don't see if I don't time for all this my office matter now. What can I do now?
You can actually quit if you want to quit, guy.
With no money or savings.
Where do you want to have the savings
Come on
from?
now.
From the stipends. They play by fans.
And I mean, they laugh now. I be comedian for your eyes.
My guy, I did
At all now, no.
No, I was just trying to make the mood lighter now. Calm down. But I feel you for real, honestly. I understand what you're saying perfectly. And I want to encourage you, man. Tough times are not going to last forever. I mean, it can't continue like this now. Something has to get better now, Abi. Don't worry. I got you, my guy.
Got that, dude.
So, that stuff you talked about, the land thing,
I did now.
I'm interested though. As a matter of fact, I want to.
Alex, you game with you. Hajia don't play recently.
Hajia did try, sha, but this one don't be Hajia. I mean, there's this business deal that's meant to give me 10 million if it clicks.
Okay. Maybe they watch now, we go see now.
Bola the banker. I got
That's my brother.
You don't want to do it what you do now. You found
This was DJ.
Pastor Pitin. You think you're dealing with the Alex, you know, Abby? You better think again. Have a rethink.
Alex, please reconsider. My mom is in the hospital right now. I'm looking for a hospital bill. Please.
Listen to me, Amanda. Listen to me. You have 3 days. 3 days to make that payment or else.
Alex, please. I don't have 10 million naira anywhere.
Paying 50% in 24 hours. Or else you need to fly around town and you know what that's gonna cost you. Good. I need the money. It's what matters. Look, Amanda, you're playing with fire. You're playing with fire. Just because of 1 million naira, you want to ruin your life, right?
Alex, please. Please. That will be the end of me, please. I borrowed to get it up to 1 million naira. My mommy's hospital bill is still outstanding and...
Find the rest. Find the rest. I don't care to know how you're going to get it, but just find it. Look, you just have 48 hours. I have tried. I cut it down to 5 million because of old time's sake. Look, I'm giving you 48 hours. If you don't do the needful, whatever you see, just take it. Don't call me again. I'm tired of these calls. Do you understand? Call someone that has sense. Yo, follow my guy. How far now? Yeah. You said I can pay in installments, right? Good. I'll do 30% first, then I'll balance up. Good. I'm not paying for 2 anymore. I'm just doing 1 in the meantime. Awesome. All right, brother. Make payments. You're forming familiarity because you know me.
This year, not grief for anybody. If they ask you what do you bring to the table, ask them what did I bring to the table. Not grief for anybody.
Tracy love, come on. I have missed you like mad. You know I'm in another state right now and it's just so sad. Of course, something can be done about it. I can still see you. Yeah, you understand. Come on. Brilliant girl. Yeah, send them already. Come on, babe. I sent you mine already now. Just go ahead and send yours. This is a very good way of spicing up relationships. And you can't tell me that you're ashamed of your body. You know you have an amazing body. Good. Okay. I'll wait. Babe, you cut out the face?
Yeah, same way you did yours.
Come on, babe. I'm a guy. It's totally different. Guys' faces and their bodies appearing together is not something that will really turn you on now. For you girls, you guys are works of art, so it's understandable. Look, my love, I need you to do me a favor. Just do me a favor. I want to feel you. I want to connect with you. Like, I'm in a city where there are a lot of girls, and this hotel, there are many girls hovering around, and I'm lonely. I just want to feel you. I want to connect with you, okay?
Do with what I sent you. Even without my face, it's still my body.
Baby girl, if I needed any kind of body, I would have just gone to the internet and I'll see many. I'm not just looking for a body, I'm looking for you. You're my lover. I'm trying to, connect with you. That's why I need your face, the body. I need to see you, full package, Come on.
Gosh, Alex, this is difficult.
Babe, I am a one-woman type of guy. This helps me to be faithful in a relationship. You're going to be happy you sent these pictures. Trust me. Okay? That's more like you, baby. Trust me. When I tell you you're going to come back to thank me later, honestly, you would. Because it's going to spice up our relationship. We're going to be rich. But how can we be sure? Where's my balance? Huh?
Alex, listen.
Where's my balance?
I can't get it anywhere. Please, can I be doing 100k monthly till I can...
100k a month? You're sounding ridiculous. Is that some monthly contribution or what? If you're doing 100k a month and you're owing me 4 million, you want to pay for 4 years?
That's the only way, please.
Shut up. Shut up! I call the shots here. 350K monthly.
My salary is 400K.
350K monthly, and that's final. Look, I don't want to call you again about this. This is month end, so you better behave.
Watches on his actions. No darling, no room for distractions. You want to lock me down from my mansion. I beat you up, show no compassion. I start to have a good vibes about things in the first show, and now what's the star in the race. Giving all the good vibes to the
Okay, I'm the game master. I got money on my mind. All the ladies be chipping. I make money when the fall. Yeah, I'm gonna make money when the fall. I'm a hustler. Hustler, yeah, I'm a hustler. I'm a hustler. I'm a hustler. Alex is a hustler. See, I'm bloody, I'm greedy, I'm bloody, I'm greedy. Man, this is dope, man. Alex, you're a bad boy. You're a very, very bad boy. Let's call it again. Amanda, what's up? I hope you realize today is the end of the month, and I've not gotten my alert. That better be why you're calling, huh?
I curse you today, Alex. I curse you.
Oh, please.
You have done all you can to me. What else is left? What else? My mother is dead. Before I could get all the money, she died. She...
It's not my business. Yeah, I'm the game master. I got money on my mind. All the ladies be tripping. I make money when they fall. I'm a hustler. I'm a hustler. I'm a hustler. I'm a hustler. Bruh, this business pays like maga. Like, it's just phenomenal. You know, we basically target only working class ladies and successful business ladies. I don't go for students and ones girls. I mean, students don't have money. And as for Olosho, you cannot shame the shameless.
The shameless, bro. This job is really paying, though. I mean, you've even upgraded to a duplex.
That's what it is, man. What can a fine boy do?
What can a fine boy do?
What can a fine boy do, bro? I can also say it's the Lord's doing and it's marvelous in our sight.
It's the Lord's work.
Well, everything turning around for my good. I can see that's the song you should be singing, bro.
Well, leave me out of this, I beg.
Oh, really?
If you see this guy, he's so handsome, caring, loving, everything between.
You showed me his picture. He's super handsome. But caring is the key word here.
Like, I've never met anyone like him. He worshipped the ground I walk on. He's so handsome. Initially, I thought I was in a dream world.
Okay, you said what he has a good job?
IT consultant.
Wow. She was so lucky, girl.
Don't worry, you find your own man soon.
I pray so.
So is PH City. I wish they can transfer you back to Lagos. Let's be cruising like this. I miss you.
Hey, I beg.
Yes.
I love my Port Harcourts like that.
Okay, so let's go. We're running late.
Okay, we should be going.
So let's be going to party.
Sure, baby.
When are we stopping this rent?
Okay, no, we'll be going because Bimbo, it's not a good idea. I think you should.
I'm expecting a message and also an alert. Oh my god. Oh my god.
What is it?
Hey.
Guy, what's the problem now?
These guys are not taking me seriously. Because I have not released anyone's photos, Abi. Hey, Igoredo.
Guy, I thought you said 2 people just paid you 3 million recently.
Yes, But this bimbo girl, immediately I threatened her. She switched off her phone. That initial reaction of panic, she didn't give it to me. She just switched off her phone. And Amanda is still owing me.
Alex, take Amanda out of this guy. She lost her mom in all of this now.
Bro, what are you saying, man? That woman was an octogenarian. She was above 80. Fam, look, that's one of the reasons why I didn't listen to Amanda when she was trying. I basically saw it as a manipulation. Bro, I'm below 30. I can't come and be suffering, fam.
Bro, that's not an excuse. That's not an excuse, bro.
My guy, you're too soft-hearted for this game. You don't know what's up.
Yeah, that reminds me, Alex. The lady you released her nude. The banker now, Miss Bimbo. Yeah, you don't give me that look. I know it was you because I've met you guys a couple of times before. Anyway, she's dead.
What?
She died in a car crash. I mean, it's all over the block, bro.
So?
What do you mean by so? Guys, she died before you released those nudes. God, due to the buzz it caused on social media, people then found out that she was dead. See, Alex, if you ask me, I think this stuff is getting too dangerous.
Guy, look, there's no link. I mean, there's no link between the news that I released and her death. There's no link, bro.
God, there is now. Her friend in the crash survived. She even confirmed that Bimbo saw something on her phone and started screaming, then lost control of the car. Don't forget, the day of the crash was the same day you released those photos. Remember, I was in your place the next day.
Hold up, I'm coming. Ooh, exactly who I was expecting. Come on, baby, you kept me waiting. Kept me waiting.
Okay, I'm here now.
Right? Come on, look at you. So beautiful, baby.
Thank you.
I have a surprise for you. Close your eyes.
Okay.
I want you. Close your eyes, right?
Okay.
Close your eyes, don't open it. Open. Baby, I've waited for this moment for a long time. I can't wait anymore. Look, I loved you from the moment that I set my eyes on you. Please, would you marry me?
Of course, yes.
Oh my God. Wow.
I love you.
I love you too, baby.
All right.
Let's finish what we started, baby.
Woo!
Come here, baby. Hey, beautiful.
Hi.
How was your night, baby?
Was fine. How was yours?
That's good.
Okay.
Baby, you're taking too long. Vincent Automobiles. My friend, how are you? Yes, I wanted to confirm how much it's going to cost me if I want to upgrade my Benz to the 2024 model. Oh. Okay, that's fine. So how are you doing? Great. No, that's fine. I'm going to revert soon, okay? Alright, okay. This MAGA don't want to pay. What's my time?
My God.
No, it's just like university days.
I have a plan. I mean, it's high time I did. No one should live like this, bro.
Seems like my guy is beginning to have reason, huh?
You don't really have a choice at this point.
So what do you want to do? You want to rob a bank?
I have to start from somewhere now.
That's right. But are you really serious?
Of course I am. God, the only two people that have converted to permanent staffs in that office are two babes that are dating the executive directors. You're telling me it's a man's world.
Guy Alpha, connect me to those girls now.
Who be this guy now? I never even executed my plan yet. You're telling me, bro, one call from those babes and I'm fired, bro. Like, I'm gone.
Then, I mean, you can take your time in that case.
God, trust me, guy. I've been planning this shit for months, bro. No loopholes.
Then go ahead and get your gratuity, bro. Let's celebrate.
It's my guy. Positive mindset all the time.
You know I got you always, my guy. Bro, I have really done wickedness to a lot of people. But you know you will always be my brother, right?
For life, my bro, for life.
Yeah, I learned that Amanda is getting married to one rich oil mogul.
Which Amanda? Your Amanda?
That girl owes me a lot. She owes me a lot. I think it's time she pays up.
Bro, free this girl now.
Free her? Do you know how many girls that are prettier, way prettier than Amanda, that would do anything to have me as their boyfriend? Amanda had me. All she did was to flaunt me around. Wherever she wanted to go, she was showing me around. And she was just giving me penny, kobo. The maximum she ever did was 400K. Listen to me. Aside the 4 million that she's owing me, Amanda owes me big time. Trust me when I tell you that. Hi, Amanda. Amanda. I'm glad you still use this number. Oh, who am I? Well, maybe because I'm using a different line. Amanda, this is your best ex ever, Alex. She cut the call on me. Amanda has blocked me. Amanda, you want to play games? Let's see about that.
Yeah, so that's what I'm trying to tell you. Let's stick to the theme. Yes. Onion purple. Let's stick to the theme of the wedding, please. Thank you. Let us resume the work. Hi, honey. I was just arriving at work now. What? Nudes. Yeah, no, not me. Honey, please just leave. Honey, please, you cannot call off the wedding because of the nude. Honey, please. Honey, you cannot call off the wedding because of the nudes. Please. They are not my nude. They are my nudes. They are not my nudes. Honey, hello. Please. You cannot call off the wedding because of the nude.
Guy, I don't know if I told you that I met this popular actress, Juliet Ona. You remember Juliet Ona, huh? Bola. Guy, what are you thinking about?
My guy, Lord Jerry. I can't wait for this deal to be over and successful. You just have to wait for the right time.
Calm down, Bola. Calm the heck down. Look, the secret of good planning is calming down. When you calm down, you're in control. So, relax, take your time and plan. Huh? So like I was saying, Juliet Ona. You remember her, right? The very popular actress when we were teenagers.
Of course I know now. Maybe that baby will die for that year.
Well, guess who's not dying for her anymore? Because I already had her.
You're serious?
Well, let's just say that a month ago, Alex slid into her DM, and then the rest is history. We had a couple of pleasurable moments. But right now, I want to do business.
Alex, guy, just the drunk on business on. You know they calm down.
Guy, this is about to be my biggest hit ever. Dum, 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 dum. Celebration bells on my head. Alex, you're a bad boy. You're a very bad boy. You know you're a public figure, If I release those videos and pictures, it's going to ruin your entire life and career.
Which career? Oh, because I was filming for you. Have you seen me in a movie for the past 5 years?
Well, that was because you were rejecting scripts. You yourself said that in an interview.
Oh, now wash, I beg. I even paid to be interviewed. Anyways, back to what we were talking about. Alex, please release the video. Maybe it will help me get back my career.
What? A video of you sleeping with a man? Are you sure you know what you're talking about?
Okay, I beg, release them. Rubbish.
This one a bad market, though.
Amen. Amen. Thank you very much. Everything is in place, so we've won already. Yes, thank you. Thank you, I appreciate it. Thank you. Hello, Alex, how are you?
I'm fine. The Queen, you've not had time for me, so I decided to call you and wish you luck for tomorrow.
That's very sweet of you. I've been very busy. You know what's coming up. Yeah, so thank you. Thank you. Alex, can I call you back?
Oh, all right.
All right, dear. All right. Hello?
Hajia, you may actually be the big break that I'm looking for. Wow. Let's make a toast to Hajia's victory, bro, because a win for Hajia is a win for me.
Wait, Alex. This one they were talking like this. Hope you know what I'm thinking, Alex.
Bravery. Bravery is one common trait shared by every great man. Look, I'm tired of this miniature lifestyle, wins of 10, 15 million naira. I want something big. I mean, I need something more elaborate. I need to set up my business. You know, I'm looking at automobiles, you know, specifically bands, assorted types of bands, spare parts for bands. I mean, take a look at that now. Makes sense, right?
You know me and you know you can't leave this job.
Abby? Well, maybe I can actually do it once in a while, as long as the looks is still there. I can do it as a side hustle.
No, seriously, I've been thinking. I think it's high time I stop procrastinating and just do this thing. If I know of myself, Baruch will help me. Look at you now. Did anyone come to rescue you? Why am I wasting my time here?
Well, I don't want to say I told you so, but I mean, look at you. You're very calculative. I mean, if you do something like this, I believe you have some wins. Or you want to be using your brains to be counting bank teller and all that.
But I'm trying. It's not like I'm not making effort. I'm trying.
Oh, you can still keep procrastinating while I count in millions and give you thousands and hundreds of thousands. How do you see that? Or you want me to give you everything I earn? Definitely, I can't do that. Go and make your own money. The queen. The queen of queens.
Sweetie.
The queen, I want to give you a treat. Yeah. Same hotel. Just pick a date. All the bills will be on me.
Oh, wow. My small Alex wants to give me a treat. Okay, now, I'm ready.
Queen, I want to spoil you now. Let me just spoil you small. I mean, you've been spoiling me.
Ah, okay. I'm turned on already, so it's fine.
Good, good.
I will be there. I'll show up. Why not?
Good. Yeah, who's that?
Who else?
Yo, the queen. Y'all know what's up. Whoa. Okay, okay. Work it, work it. That's a step. Guys, you have no idea, man. Ladies and gentlemen, you're looking at the latest member of the House of Rep. Federal Republic of Nigeria.
I know.
The captain.
I miss you, baby. Oh, whoa. What's the hurry? Come on. Are we not going to have a drink, eat something? Come on.
Man shall not leave by bread or drink alone.
He's
Listen,
preaching.
we're going to get all those drinks. Let's just get started. I'll get all the drinks in the world.
Wow, this feels good. Oh, wow, I love the fire. Oh, come on, baby. Yes, I am.
You ready?
Oh.
So you're selling up everything?
Bro, I can't stay here to do my last business deal. I mean, it's too risky. I'm talking about a politician here, you know.
True. Anyways, one of my colleagues says he's interested in the remaining 1.5 years. And also all the furniture included.
Really?
Yeah.
How much are we talking about here?
He said 2 million.
2 million. Okay, good deal. Collect the money and keep it.
You're serious?
Bola, come on, don't be dramatic. You're the only friend and brother that I have. It's nothing.
So where are you not going to be staying?
I'll just be doing different hotels. When I get the money, I'll move to Ghana. Pipe low for a while before I return to my life.
So how much are you going in at?
100 million.
Alex. That's a lot, bro.
That's a lot.
That's what it is.
Alex, have you lost your mind? Where do you expect me to get that kind of money from?
Some funds were just allocated to your constituency. So please do the needful ASAP.
The money is for my constituency, like you said. Moreover, it's not even up to that kind of amount of money.
Mrs. Abayomi, look, I am not dumb. I'm aware that you have what it takes to get that money across to me. So if you want to lie, get a loan, make a call or something, it's your problem. But if you don't get that money across to me, your videos may just be flying all around the internet. And I'm pretty sure you don't want that.
Alex, are you really saying this to me? Are you saying this to me? Okay, Alex. What did I do to this boy? Oh my God. Alex, that's all I can do for now. 20 million.
What am I supposed to do with 20 million naira? Look, some people are already waiting for this money. You better do the needful, otherwise that video goes out. If the video goes out, you know it's not just going to cost your marriage, yeah? It's going to cost your position, your integrity, your political career. Mrs. Abayomi, 100 million is not such a big price to pay, ma'am.
Okay, wait. Alex, let me do 20 million in 3 days. Just give me 3 days. I will send you 20 million.
20?
Look, Alex, I would pay the whole money you asked for. It's just that it can't be at once. I emptied my account for the campaign. You know we had a campaign. And the money I'm getting is what I'm sending to you now. So I really don't have much. Okay, that's why I'm sending these ones as they're coming in, please. All I need is just a little time. Hello, Alex.
Yo, Bola, my guy. What's up?
Alex, I'm in the police station.
Shit. No. Guy, just hang in there, okay? I can't move around for now, but I assure you I'll get you out of there. Just hang in,
Guy, network is poor here. I can't hear you. Talk well now.
Bola, can you hear me? Bola, I said I'm going to get you out of there. Just hang in. You know my business trip now. I can't move around now, but I'll definitely get you out. Immediately I'm out of here.
Guy, I can't talk properly now, guy.
Oh my God. Bola, can you hear me? I said be strong. I'll get you out, okay? Can you hear me?
Okay, I heard what I said.
Good. Just call me if there's anything. Call me on this number. You're the only one that has it.
Wait, Alex, wait. I thank you so much. I mean, I hope after all this we get to hang out, you know. Live our lives, get married and have kids, bro.
I'm glad that you know that this too will pass. What you're going to do for me is just be strong, huh? I'll come get you, fam. Alright?
Okay, my guy. Thank you so much, bro. I really appreciate it.
One love, blood. One love.
We have him. Grace Hotel, Banana Island.
We couldn't trace him with those numbers. What he doesn't know is that I have a very strong and reliable team. Only if that boy has the slightest idea of the things I've done to get to where I am today, he won't try this nonsense with me. To think that I really liked him somehow. He's trying to push me back to a life I left behind. But it's fine. Thank God for having me.
Who's that?
Room service.
We have a message from our boss, Mr. Alex. Look. Aja sends her regards. She said before we do anything first, we have to do this. Y'all know what's up. Don't play.
Bola, I see you're already enjoying your newly acquired wealth.
Mama, this one that insisted on cash.
Oh yeah, I had to because I don't want it to be linked to my account. You're a banker, so you should know better. Give it to him. I like you. You're a smart young man. Unfortunately, I don't know if you have a copy of the tape.
No, I don't, ma.